Okay, so a really simple way to impress your friends when they think they're being really clever making a paper aeroplane. You can make a Chinese water bomb. All you need is a simple, straightforward piece of paper, A3 or A4. A3 is better because the end result is a bigger water balloon or water bomb or lantern. This is plain old bit of A4. It's actually terms and conditions for a utility bill, which you would normally just go in the recycling bin, and I'm going to make a Chinese water bomb. If you fold the top corner over to the far side so that all you're trying to do is make this A4 or A3 piece of paper into a perfect square. So you can do this. This piece of paper here, part of the paper, is excess. So fold the line on there, really good crease with your fingernail, and fold it back the other way. And do a really good crease with your fingernail. Obviously you can use scissors to make it into a perfect piece of square paper, but if I show you how to make it as cleanly as possible by doing neat folds, you can then do this anywhere. You won't need scissors, that's excess. So then you have a perfect square. This fold along the diagonals is perfect because then you need to, that's the first part of the folding. Fold it again the opposite way, squeaky elbows. So you've got two diagonal folds. If you pinch the paper, so what you're doing is you can create that star shape. What you want to do is fold that so that you have got a triangle with the folds on the inside, if that makes any sense. See? So you've used the diagonal folds to make a triangle, and that's your basic, that kind of hat shape. If you place it down like that, you can then bring these corners up to the top. And what you want to do that with all four, and you bring them up to the top as far as they can go, fold neatly, and then the other side as symmetrical as possible, and then the end result is as neat as possible. Try and kind of butt them up, don't overlap them. Again, do the same thing with the other side, from the bottom up to the top, bottom up to the top, and then all you need to do is fold these corners into the side or into the middle. Try to get it about as on the middle as you can, and then mirror that on the other side. 50 over. Guess what? Just do the same thing with the other side. Middle corner folded into the middle. Middle corner to the middle. So they're just about touching, and we're nearly there. You've got one bit here which is got a hole in, if you can see, and this bit here which is essentially the middle of the paper, and these are excess bits, so we need to fold those away. I tend to fold it up and then fold it again, because then this tiny bit here, you can probably see there's a pocket, and we can tuck that excess into the pocket. It's a little bit fiddly, and that extra fold you had just makes it slightly neater. Do the same with the other three. Up to the middle, fold. Just tuck it away nice and neatly. Same with the other two. Up, fold it away. Just tuck that into the pocket. Oh, I made a mess of that one. Fold that into the pocket. And all you're trying to do is finish off. Essentially, the lantern's there, it's just finished. All you want to do is when it expands, it's as neat and holds as tightly as possible. Hence the extra second fold, that bit there. So tuck that bit in there and that bit in there, and that is your finished lantern. All you need to do, that's the end of the middle of the paper, and this bit here essentially is a hole. You see there's a hole there. All you want to do is just blow into that, and then you have a perfect lantern. Way more impressive than a paper aeroplane. Ta-da!